Well, hello people. This is your Abhi and it's day 24. Okay, today we'll be talking about flow state, something that we experience at least once in our life. It's the state of being where you're completely focused on performing or completing a certain task with complete concentration, and to be honest, you'll be very very productive while you're doing the task. And achieving this state of being is rather difficult, to be honest, but with a set of simple steps you can do it. And because I have experienced that state of being today, and I kind of observed what actually made me get into that state of being. I'll discuss about that. So I had to study for my exam, and so I had to read the textbook. So what I had to do, I actually had a class where I was being taught a certain concept, and what I did was completely concentrated on gaining or understanding that concept and keeping away all the distractions possible. Okay, it was, the concept was quite easy, so um, it didn't require much of effort. So I started concentrating and literally kept away from all kind of distractions, and later on slowly I slipped into the flow state. And after that I started performing a little harder tasks, and after that I had to study for the exam, so I started reading the textbook. Reading the textbook, it's not an easy task too, because you'd feel bored. But because I achieved this state of flow, I was able to do it like water. So from these observations I can conclude that first, you take anything that is easy to start with. Okay? Like in my case, I started with some easy concept. Then slowly increase the level of difficulty of the task, what you're doing. And level 3 is when you completely submerge into the task. Okay? So you can use it in any kind of task that you're supposed to complete it. So that should help. So level 1, you got to start with something easy. Level 2, slowly make it harder. And level 3, submerge into the task slowly. And between this process, you have to make sure to keep away all kinds of distractions. Keep away the phones. Don't look at the messages. Um, just put aside all kind of distractions from your workplace. Okay, and then another important factor is that you shouldn't forget to keep your mind stabilized. Okay, you might keep away physical distractions away from you, but still your mind is something you have to control. Your mind will wander off in between. In order to bring it back to the ground level, all you got to do is say to your mind, it's now the time. Nothing is important more than this task right now. Is there anything else that I would lose because of the distractions? No, right? So don't think about anything, focus on the task. Once you do that, once you follow this five, five principles, I'm pretty sure you would reach into the flow state. Alright, that's pretty much it for that one. And positive attitude is what I wanted to talk about specifically today. It's it's a it's a very underrated ideology that we all have to implement in ourselves. See, positive attitude is not something very easy. You see, when you're in a very, very bad situation, you can't take everything positively, right? All you look at your things as negative. But in order to be positive, you should accept what's happening around you and then try to look at it from a different perspective and mostly try to learn from it. So, when suppose let's say you've gone through a bad phase, fine, you've gone through the bad phase. Now you shouldn't, uh, roll yourself up with the thoughts of how you've done it in the past and sacrifice the present as well as the future. So what do? You learn from it. Have a positive attitude. Look at it in such a way that you can learn from it. Fine, you've done the mistakes. It's alright. We all make mistakes. The next thing you have to do is try to not make that mistake once again. And having that kind of attitude, oof, it's a blessing. It's really a blessing, and I think everyone has to learn this. Okay, so try to develop a positive attitude to almost anything that you're doing, and you notice the changes by yourselves. Okay, and that's pretty much it I wanted to talk about today, and see you in the next one.